This is a custom door fabrication for a situation where I couldn't put a knob because there's a concrete wall, and I guess I could have drilled holes through the concrete wall, but it wouldn't have made much sense. So I'll show you a close-up, but this is a gate hinge. And it worked out really well because I had wood. This is all wood. This is concrete block. The door had to go flush with the concrete block in order to keep insulation and air conditioning efficient inside this unit. So I just attached a gate valve, a gate lock, and I just drilled a hole in the wood, and now it works really well, as you can see. This is just insulation strip, weather seal, and I also put one on the back side of the door, so it can be accessed and locked from both sides. I also had to cut the other side down, but it's nice and tight. There's no insulation leaks, there's no air leaks, and the door is very heavy. I guess there was another way that I could have went flush here against the wood, but then it wouldn't have looked right, or it wouldn't have looked correct on the left side. So I think this was a good addition. I also had to cut down the door. It was about 8 feet. I needed about 7.5.